What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I tint my eyebrows at home and save a lot of money. So as most of us probably know, eyebrow tinting lasts anywhere from maybe like 2 weeks to a month if you're lucky, but it definitely fades pretty quickly and it can be pricey to constantly be going in and getting your eyebrows tinted or reshaped or whatever it is that you may be doing. So I'm going to show you how I do it at home and save some coin. The first thing you're going to want to do before you even get started with this is you want to make sure that you have your eyebrows shaped the way you like, tweeze away any extra hairs. And another tip is to draw in your eyebrows anywhere where it is looking sparse that you would like it to be fuller. That way you can use the dye to tint your skin a little bit. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all the products you will need and let's get right into it.
So here's all the products that you will need. You're going to want some disposable lip brushes here to apply the dye. These have a nice soft doe foot applicator on them. And obviously the star of the show is the Just for Men Beard and Mustache dye, and I got mine in the shade dark brown. And then some makeup wipes so you can clean up anywhere where the dye might have gone a little crazy. A little eyebrow brush with a spoolie on the end just to brush your eyebrows in the direction you want. And whatever kind of pencil you want to line your brows and fill in anywhere that you want the dye to go as well. And then also a Q-tip. Not the scissors, you don't need those. So first you're just going to comb out your eyebrows. I brush mine in the direction that I normally style them in, that way I know where to put the dye. And then just take an eyebrow pencil to fill in any of the sparse areas where you want to make sure the dye is going to go. For me, it's mostly on the underside where I overplucked as a teenager. Okay, so when you unbox everything, it's going to look like this. You're gonna take the color base and just squirt out about whatever you think you might need depending on how much eyebrow hair you have. And then you're just going to take the developer and do the same thing. And you can recap these. These are good for several uses. Then you're gonna take the end of your brush tool and just stir those together until they are perfectly mixed. So I'm just going to take my little lip brush and dip it into the product and get started.
Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes. Under the night sky for eternity. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be.
Okay, so this is the final result. Obviously it is a little bit on the dark side. I tend to do it a little bit darker because it does fade quicker, but obviously if you are concerned about this, just leave it on for less time, maybe 3 to 4 minutes instead of 5 minutes. Also, I recommend doing it a little bit lighter on the inner corners to get more of an ombre effect. Clearly, I didn't do that this time, so that was my bad. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Obviously, you can see that the skin is dyed here, but of course, if you wash your face once to twice a day like most people, that will be pretty much non-existent in the next couple days, but the hair will still be darker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more DIY hacks in the future. Thank you so much for watching.